In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Zoho WorkDrive. The steps are pretty straightforward, but having all the details in advance can make the process feel seamless and intuitive. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily share your folders with others. When you first log into Zoho WorkDrive, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll notice a variety of categories like Recent Files, Favorites, Shared with Me, Collect Files, My Folders, and Team Folders. These sections help you navigate through your files and locate what you need quickly. For the purpose of sharing a folder, we're going to focus on My Folders or Team Folders, depending on where the folder you want to share is located. Let's say you have a folder in My Folders that you need to share. First, navigate to My Folders and locate the folder you're interested in. Once you've found it, hover over the folder to reveal additional options. You'll see a series of icons, but the one you want to click on is the Share icon. It usually looks like a small figure with a plus sign. Once you click the Share icon, a new window will pop up. This is where all the magic happens. The window allows you to enter the email address of the person or people you want to share the folder with. Type in their email addresses, and if you're sharing with multiple people, you can add them one by one or separate each email with a comma. After adding your participants, you'll need to define their access levels. Zoho WorkDrive offers 3 primary access types: viewer, commenter, and editor. If you only need someone to see the files, viewer is sufficient. However, if you want them to leave feedback, commenter is the way to go. And if you wish for them to have full access to edit and manage the contents, editor is what you'd choose. It's important to thoughtfully consider the access level you assign, as it impacts what others can do within your folder. Once you've settled on the specifics of access, it's worth pausing to know that you also have the option to include a message. This feature allows you to add context or explain the purpose of sharing the folder, which can be really helpful in professional settings. After you finish setting permissions and adding any necessary notes, simply hit the Share button to finalize the process. And that's it. The individuals you've shared the folder with should receive an email letting them know they now have access. Now you know how to share a folder in Zoho WorkDrive. Remember, understanding and using these sharing permissions wisely ensures smooth collaboration and data security. If you liked this guide or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy sharing!